Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to set pivot of an object, or in this case a car. Well, you can download this car model from BlendSwap for free. Link is given below in the description. You need to place your 3D cursor by pressing Shift S, cursor to selected where you want your car pivot to be. Normally it is on the bottom center of the car. Now press Shift A, go to empty and select sphere. Now this empty sphere will be the parent of the car. As you can see, empty sphere is exactly where our 3D cursor is. Here is an important note. We want car parent to be in a forward direction, which is y-axis. But as you can see, y-axis is not in forward direction of the car in this case. We need to rotate this empty object 90 degrees in z-axis. So it will be in the forward direction of the car. Now select and hold Shift and select each object of the car or each mesh of the car, and at the end select that empty object and press Ctrl P and select Object Keep Transformation. This will make all the objects of the car parent to that empty object. So now we can move that empty object and the whole car moves with itself. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestions, please write it in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks.